Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you a very joyful pop song called OMG, sung by NewJeans. The tutorial is mainly divided into 4 parts. First, I will demonstrate the dance, and then explain each movement in detail. Next, I will count the beat, and finally follow the music at different speeds. So let's get started. First, put your focus on your shoulder. When your left shoulder is up, your right shoulder is down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add a little bounce to your body. Your body is up, 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 up. So together with your shoulders, up, 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 up. And next, we walk to your left. Move your left foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for your right foot, first step at your back and then step at your front. The bounce of your body is down, 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 down. And for your head, first tilt your head to the left. You don't need to move your head to your back, just tilt to your left. So add your feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then tilt your head to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. This movement is like a gorilla squashing its butt. Step your left foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the hip, roll your hip. Roll, 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 roll. And together with your hands. Roll your hip 4 times. 1 slow, 3 fast. Slow, fast, 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 fast. Then walk to your right. This time move your right foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then your hands are like drawing circles at your front. Your feet are just stepping. When you step your right foot, you need to put your center to your right foot first. Then it's like someone's dragging you up. And then move your center to your left foot. Down, up, with your hands together. Down, up, up. We do it twice. Then your hand gesture is like making a phone call. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then kick your right foot. Kick. We learn our hands first. Your hands are like saying hello. Hello, hello, hello. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then point to your left twice. 1, 2. Clap your hands and point to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For your feet, you just step your feet. But remember, when you step your right foot, your right heel is up and your left heel is down. You need to lift your left toes up and vice versa. First step your right foot. Step, step. And then step your right foot 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then step your left foot once. Together with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can also add a little bounce. Your body is up, up, up. We move on. The next movement is like rope skipping. Step your right foot first, step at your front, and then step at your back. And then jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Together with your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then roll your knees inwards and jump. First jump to your left and then jump to your right. Jump to your left and jump to your right. For your hands, first put your left hand up, then put your right hand up. Your hands are like this, and jump on both feet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Step your right foot first. Step. When you step your right foot, you need to straighten your leg. You don't have to bend your knee. 1 and 2. Together. 1 and 2. Then step your right foot twice. 1, 2. Clap your hands at your back and then at your front. You can also nod your head. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we jump twice. Remember to put your feet together. Jump, jump. Your hands just hit your front. Hit, hit. And walk to your left. Walk, walk. And then to your right. You can also add the bounce, and the bounce is down. Down, 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 down. With your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do a pose whatever you like. And that's it. Thank you. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.